Zilithumi-nanye ke zilithumi-nahlanu izisebenzi zalokhu zemayini ezifinyelela isivumelwaneni sokubhadela umbuso ekhothe ephakemeko yeNorth Gauteng ePitori ngomonakalo wabangelwa yebangamatlhuwo yeMarikana.
The case before the court is for the fact that the state has accepted liability for the massacre that took place in Marikana. Now, the second step would be for the calculation of the amounts that are supposed to be paid over to the claimants. We are claiming for past loss of earnings, past medical expenses, future losses of earnings, future medical expenses, as well as general damages. So I am glad to say that we have been able to find one another insofar as the larger portion of the claims.
Ibangamatlhuwo yangorhobo ngo-2012 yaqina ngokubhubha kwezisebenzi zemayini ezima-34 ezinye zalimala nanamhlanje ababelapho basakhumbula kwabehlelako.
Ngokwendlela endalimala ngayo ndadutyulwa apha emlenzini ndephuka phakathi umlenze ndinebhulethi esesinqeni ndisemlenzeni ndinomlenze lensimbi ndihamba ngeentsimbi nje andixolanga apha emoyeni wami emphefumlweni wami ngoba ndizibona ndikhubazekile zininzi izinto endisangasakwaziyo ukuzenza.
Nanyana kuvele lokhu kamuva nje kodwana ipi yobulungiswa isesekude nokuphela ngendaba yeMarikana njengoba izisebenzi sezifuna ukusikimisa isimangalo esitsha sezomthetho sisekelo esiya kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.